you all are good and safe. See beta, very frankly, the last lecture I shooted was very disturbing. Actually, because of some homely affair, I could not continue for the lecture, and during the lecture, too many phone calls were there, and it was very mandatory for me to attend all the calls. Okay, sorry for the last lecture because I feel it was disturbing, and I could not give my 100% to the students because of some you can say absent-mindedness. Now see, this lecture we are going to deal with exercise 5.3, the formula we have derived in the last lecture, and formula derivation up to the, it was very okay. First question we have done, second question we have done. Now without any delay we will little bit rewind all the formulas and the application, and then we will move towards question number 3. Okay beta, see if you remember this is exercise 5.3 for class 10th NCERT textbook. See beta, if you remember, the sum of first n terms of an AP was n by 2 a plus l, yes or no? And after putting the value of l, a plus n minus, see beta, l is last term na, and it is a plus n minus 1 into d. If we use this, we can find 2a plus n minus 1d. You see, these are the two formulas. So the formula is same, but the forms are different. According to our statement, what is the statement? What is the given in the statement? According to that, we use these forms. Okay. So, are you all ready for the lecture? Done. We are going to start now. See beta, each and every question you will learn very easily in a soft manner, but just your attention is required. Just your attention is required beta. So, question number 2 part 3rd I am going to start with. -5 plus -8 plus -11 and so on up to the last term is -230. -230. Okay beta, you have to sum this series. You have to sum this series, find the sum of this series, solve this series. Okay. If you observe, is this series making a progression? Making a progression? Yes, it's making a progression. That is an arithmetic progression. First term is a. Common difference we can get here. The last term is here. Find n and then a, Sn. Because see beta, if you see here a is -5 and d is this minus this. This is decreasing AP. Therefore d will be negative. Yes or no? D is negative here because this is decreasing AP. And if you see, the last term is -230. The last term is -230. Okay. Now see, what we have to do, first we will find the n, because we don't have n, no? Because we don't have n. First we find the n, then we will find Sn. Because in the both form, whatever the formula you want to use, n is must, n is there. Okay. See, a plus n minus 1, a plus n minus 1 into d is an, yes or no? A plus n minus 1 into d is an, and we can use this. What is a? A is -5 plus n minus 1 and d is -3 is equal to an is -230. An is -230. See beta, from here what we can do? N minus 1 into -3. -230, shift this toward that, +5. From here n minus 1 into -3, and this is -225. Okay. From here n minus 1 is equal to, this will cancel this. Minus will remove the minus. 3 will cancel this. You will get, oh sorry, what will you get beta? 75. Yes or no? You will get 75. Therefore n is equal to, shift 1 towards that, 6. 76. Okay. And you got here is 76. See once again beta, last term formula is this. The all available material we put in the formula. From there we got N76. Now we have to find N76. Now see beta, formula I am using here n by 2 a, first I have to write the formula now, so let me make you understand. So beta, formula is n by 2 a plus n, yes or no? If I apply here a plus n minus 2, a plus n minus 1 1 into d, that is also applicable. That will give you the result. Same result, but be smart. You all are principals. Okay? See, make this to work. Okay? Use accordingly. 76 by 2. What is a? Minus 5. What is L? Minus 230. Yes or no? It will cancel it. 38 into minus 235. Solve it and you will get the result. Done beta? You can take the screenshot. Done? Now see, next question we are going to start with. Question number 3. See beta, if you observe the question number 3, you can see in question number 3, it is just like the question number 1 given in the exercise 5.2, where 2 3 variables were given and the one variable was asked. Out of 4, 3 variables were given and the one variable was asked. Okay, see in question number 3, part first, A is given 5, D is given 3, An is given 50. Find N and Sn. Find N and Sn. Just a minute. Now see beta, A is 5, D is 3, An is 50 and Sn we have to find. Okay, now see. An is there, no? Yes or no? A plus n minus 1 into D is An. Yes or no? Now put the value of A here 5 plus n minus 1 and D is 3. An is 50. Okay, yes or no? From here if you observe n minus 1 into 3, 5 will shift it toward that and it will give 45. 50 minus 5 will give you 45 and 3 can cancel this. Yes or no beta? It will be 15. It will be 15. From here you will get n is equal to 15 plus 160. This is the answer. Oh sorry, this is not the answer. We have to find n. This is the first answer. Because this is also asked. No? This is also asked. Okay. From here we got n is 16. Now we have to find S16. Sn is n by 2 into a plus l. Yes or no? Sn is n by 2 into a plus l. N is 16. 16 by 2. A is 5. L is 50. Okay. Cancel it. 8 into 55. Now multiply 440. I think it will be the product. Okay. Done beta. You can take the screenshot. Here. A, D, A, N, Sn. We put the values in the formula for general term. From here we got n and then Sn and we got Sn. So simple beta. Okay. Now I am going to start next question. Question number next is regarding where the given is A7, A13, 35. See that you have taken the screenshot. Second part, A is 7 and A13 is 35. Find D and Sn. These two are asked. Okay beta, if you observe the statement here in the part second, question number 3, exercise 5.3, it is asked A is 7, A13 is 35, find this. Okay, see. What is this? A13, see. A13 means A plus 12D. Yes or no? and what is given? 35. What is this given? 35. Can I put the value of A here? If I put the value of A here, 7 plus 12D is equal to 35. From here, 12D is 35 minus 7. 12D will be 28. From here, D is 28 by 12. That is 7 by 3. That is 7 by 3. Okay, beta. A13. Okay. Then A13 and so on. From here we got D, 7 by 3. Now what we have to find Sn? Sn. But n is 13. N is 13. Last term is given, first is given. Don't worry. N by 2 A plus L. Simply use the form of formula according to the most convenient way you can observe from your mind. N by 2. N by 2. A is 7, L is 35, yes or no? 13 by 2, and what is this? 42, cancel with this. 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26 plus 1, 27. 273. Okay, beta? Done? Good. Now see it. Take the screenshot. One more thing, beta. If I am committing any mistake in calculation here, okay, then you all are responsible. Then you all are responsible. What do I mean? I mean, beta, hardly suppose I am solving anything and by mistake some plus or minus, by mistake, by chance, 99.99% surety I will not commit. Still solve by chance, in the absent mind, many thoughts are coming in the mind during the lecture. Suppose by at any moment I commit any mistake, you have to tackle with that by yourself. Then ask me, give me the response in the WhatsApp. Okay, do not worry about anything. I am always there to help you. Okay, third part, beta. See, what is the third part? Here third part is A12 is, sorry, A12 is written 37, D is written 3. Find A and S12. Okay. A12 and D is given. A12 and D is given. A and S12 is asked. The same question last where A was given, D was asked. Here A, D is given, A was asked. A is asked. Do not worry. Use the brain. Yes or no? A12 is A plus 11D and this is 37. A plus 11D is 3 is equal to 37. Yes or no? If you see, it will be A plus 33, 37. From here, A will be 4. Yes or no? From here, A will be 4. Now, what we have to find? S12, n by 2 into A plus L. N by 2 into A plus L. Yes or no? First term you got. Last is given, n is given. Okay, Sn. This is the formula for Sn and n is 12. N by 2, A we got 4 and A12 37. Okay. 6 into 41. It will be 246. Yes or no? Yes or no? It will be 246. You can take the screenshot, beta. Then we will solve the next part. Done? Now see. Question number 3, part 4th. Question number 3, part 4th. See what is given here. Here it is given, part 4th. A3 is 15. A3 is 15. S10 is 125. Okay. Find D and A10. Find D and A10. These two things are asked. See, beta, these are the questions similar to the questions we discussed in exercise 5.2, where we prepared two equations and then solved by subtracting them. Do you know A plus 7D, A plus 6D is equal to something? Then we subtracted, A cancels A, find the value of D, and then put the value of D in equation. those elimination method, the same kind of question is this. See, once you see whatever I am doing, definitely you will get the output. Definitely you will understand the concept. See, here can I write a plus 2d is 15. Yes or no? This is equation first. A3 is 15. A plus 2d is 15. Equation first. Done. Now see, S10, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, n is 10, n minus 1 into d is 125. Yes or no? S10 means n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 to 3. See beta, here in this equation a and d are variables. That's why I am using a and d formula here. The formula which is having a and d, not a plus l. Okay? See, it will cancel it. 5 into 2a plus 9d is equal to 125. This 5 can cancel this. From here, 2a plus 9d is 25. This is equation second. Now see beta, this is the equation in terms of a and d. This is also the equation in terms of a and d. We have to solve this equation. See beta, if we subtract 1 directly from here, no benefit. Because here is a, here is 2a. At least one variable should be eliminated. It should be cut. So that we can find the equation in one variable and find the value of a variable. Okay, this is the method we will use in the third chapter. We will start after fifth. Okay, elimination method, how to solve the linear equations in two variables, we will discuss in exercise third or chapter third. Don't worry. See, therefore I am multiplying equation 1 by 2, not equation 2, by scalar 2, by the number 2. What we will get? 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. Yes or no? See beta, if I multiply this equation by 2, I will get 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. Now see, here is 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. Yes or no? Okay, now see, if I subtract the equation, minus minus minus, cancelled. 9 plus 4 plus minus 4, 5d. This is minus 5, cancel. D will be minus 1. Yes or no? D is minus 1. Are you getting my point? Okay. See, once again I am repeating the same question beta, so that you can understand the concept. See, what is the question? This statement is given. A3, S10, D and A10 is asked. A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 15. Yes or no? Done. S10 is 125. N by 2, S10 is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and n is 10 is equal to 125. Okay beta, now see. 2 cancels this. 5 into 2a plus 9d, 125. Done. Now if we see, 5 cancels this, because this is into 5, it will shift the size and will be in the divide, and it will cut the 125. 2a plus 9d is 25. Yes or no? Done. This is second equation. But if we observe, if we apply subtraction here, a or d will not be removed. It's your choice whether you want to remove a or whether you want to remove d. It's your choice. Okay. Now for to remove this, I am multiplying equation 1 with 2. I am multiplying equation 1 with 2. What it will happen? See beta, into 2 whole equation. 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. 2a plus whole d is equal to 30. Now I am applying operation equation 2 minus 3. 2 is this, 3 is this. 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. This is 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. When you subtract, signs are changed. It will be cancelled. 9 minus 4, 5. And this is minus 5. From here you will get d minus 1. You will get the value of d as minus 1. D is minus 1 answer. First answer is there. Now you have to find A10. A10. What A10 is? A plus 9D, yes or no? Never forget exercise 5.2. It will work in throughout the chapter. Okay. A10 is equal to A is 15, 9 into minus 1. Yes or no? 9 into minus 1. See, A10 will be 15 minus 9, that is 6. 15 minus 9, that is 6. Is it okay? You got my point? Okay, beta? Done? Take the screenshot, then we will move further. Done? Now, exercise 5.3, question number 3, and the part is fourth or third. See, let me see. And the part is fifth. Fourth we have done. Fifth part, beta. D is 5 here. Sn is 75. Okay. Find A and A9. We have to find A and A9. Okay. This is 9, beta. See, if we observe, D is 5, Sn is this, and An we have to find. Okay. This means N is given. It means N is given. See, beta, can I write N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to this? Yes or no? See, beta, I use the formula here is Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1D. Okay, see, S9 is 75, N is 9. Role of N is played by 9, N by 2. 2A, A is unknown, A we have to find, plus N minus 1 into D was given, 5. And the total sum is 75. Now see, beta, N by 2. 2A plus 9 minus 1, 8. 8 into 5, 40. Done, beta? Yes or no? Okay. Now see. 2A plus, see, make this simple. 9 by 2. Can I take 2 common from here? Yes. A plus 20. Yes or no? Done. Here we can cancel this. Now here we can cancel this. Okay, see, 9 into A plus 20 is equal to 75. From here, A plus 20 is equal to 75 by 9. That is 25 by 3. Okay, from here we will get A plus 20 is equal to 25 by 3. And if we shift 20 that side, 25 by 3 minus 20. A is equal to, take the LCM, 25 minus 60. It will be minus 35 by 3. Yes or no? See, beta. A is minus 35 by 3. It was so simple, beta. Take the once again and again I am repeating only one thing. Try to make the things simple. Keep the things simple, beta. It's in your hand. Whether you make the things simple or complex. Do not make it like a gucha. Okay, now see. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. 2A plus N is 9, D is 5. We put it here, we got 40 and then so. You take the screenshot, then we will move further. Okay, I will do it here. No? A9 is also asked, it can be written as A plus 8D. A plus 8D. A is minus 35 by 3. 8 into D is 5. Minus 35 by 3 plus 40. Okay, take the LCM 3 minus 35 plus 120, you will get, how much you will get? Subtract 30 from this, you will get 85. Okay, by 3, 85 by 3. Done, beta? Okay, 85 by 3. Done. Should I rough it? Any calculation mistake is not there, na? Do not, you have to check, don't worry. Okay. Now next part, I think 5 parts are enough, no? Or you want me to solve all the parts? I think 5 parts are enough you, or you want to solve all the parts? I think some students will shout, yes sir, solve all the parts. Paka pakaya khana hai. Now sixth part. Sixth part. Don't worry, I am going to solve it. A is 2, D is 8. A is 2, D is 8. And Sn is 90. Sn is 90. Find n and then an. Okay, it depends on n. If you are able to find n, then you can substitute the value of n here and you will get an. Then you will get an. Okay, now see it. AD are given, Sn is 90. Use the formula of Sn having terms n, a and d. See beta, what is the formula if you remember? Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? Use this formula, use this relation, because this is having a, d and n. Here two variables are known and n is asked. It means 3, third Sn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. N is repeated. It means out of 4 variables, 1, 2, 3 are given. The fourth can be easily obtained. Okay? Okay, beta. You will use this formula here. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See, here is Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 90. Yes or no, beta? Done? N by 2, 4 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 90. N by 2, 8n minus 4 is equal to 90. Can n by 2, can I take 2 common here? Yes. 4n minus 2 is equal to 90. Cancelled. N into 4n minus 2 is equal to 90. Okay. From here you will get multiply 4n square minus 2n is equal to 90. This is the equation formed. Now see, I am solving here. If you shift these 90 towards left, you will get 4n square minus 2n minus 90 is equal to 0. 4n square minus 2n minus 90 is equal to 0. Now if you divide by 2, all the equation, whole the equation, 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay. Now quadratic equation. Where are the Principians? Experts? Can you find it? Can you solve it? Minus 1 we have to break. And the product should be minus 90. What does it mean? Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. Okay? See. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay? Okay. Take 2n common n minus 5 plus 9 common n minus 5 is equal to 0. From here beta n minus 5 and 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. Product of two quantities is 0. Either of the two is 0. If you put this is equal to 0, you will get n5, and from here you will get n minus 9 by 2. But this is impossible. N is 5. You got n is 5. Okay, beta. See, here this question was very simple. Only the solution was became little bit lengthier because the quadratic equation concept was added. See, beta, what do CBSE do to make a question complex? To make a question typical or difficult? CBSE tries to give a combination of 2-3 concepts in only a single question, and then the question is made little bit lengthier or little bit lengthier or little bit difficult. Okay, then take the screenshot beta. See once again, if you want me to repeat, I am repeating. Sn was 90. We put the, and a and d were given. This is the relation Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We put the values and then solve it for n. Now what is next part? Find an. It means we have to find a5, a plus 4d. A is 2 and d is 8. You will get 2 plus 32, that is 34. That is 34. Okay? Done? Yes or no? Sure beta? Now see. Next part. Take the screenshot. Now I am going to solve it. Next beta, what is given in the next part? See the statement. Let me see the statement once. What is asked here? Here in the question number, next it is given that 7th part, we have to find A8. See, A8 is given, AAN 62 is given, okay, SN 210 is given, SN is 210, okay, SN is 210, and then we have to find the required values. A is 8, AN is 62, SN is 210, and then find N and D. We have to find N and D. Okay. Now see beta, what is going on. If you see this and this, these two can help you find N. How? Just see, this is your last term, yes or no? Okay. And the formula for Sn is n by 2 a plus L, yes or no? If we use this form of this, the formula, we will get N. See, Sn is given, okay, A is given, okay, L is given, okay, and can be find out very easily. So that's why, Princians, I do always say, your observation should be very sharp. If your observation is accordingly, you can solve each and every problem very easily. Okay, beta? So make your observation sharp and keep your mind running always. Okay, see. From here, can I write, this is n by 2 into a plus L is 210. Put the values of a and L. A is 8, L is A, 262, and this is n by 2 into 70, 210. N is equal to, see beta, this is 35, 210 by 35, it will be 6, yes or no? From here we got n is 6. We got n is 6. Okay, then we have to find D. We have to find D. How we can find D beta here? Here, from here we can find D, 6. See beta, n is 6 here. N is given 62 and n we found 6. Therefore, A6 is 62. A plus 5D is 62. A is 8. 5D is 62. 5D. 62 minus 8. Yes or no? 5D. 62 minus 8. 54. From here D will be 54 by 5. From here D will be 54 by 5. My duty is to make you understand the concept. Calculation part you will check by yourself. Okay, done beta. I think the question is done. Take the screenshot, then we will going to start next part. Okay, question number 1 part next. This was the 7th part now. An is 4, D is 2. Okay, next question. I am noting the statement first because battery of my mobile is low and the charger here connected. An is 4, D is 2. An is 4, D is 2 and Sn is minus 14. This is so? Okay. Find N and A. We have to find N and A. So simple questions beta. We have to find N and A. An is given. Sn is given. Now D is also given. What we have to do? We have to find N and A. Try to make the things understood beta. From here or from here any formula will not work, because you will get two variable in both the cases. So do not worry, just see here. Can I write a plus n minus 1 into d is 4? A plus n minus 1 into d is 4. A plus 2n minus 2 is 4. A plus 2n is equal to, shift toward this, yes or no? Equation is formed, yes or no? See beta, Sn, sorry, An was given 4, we use the general term formula, okay, and then found the equation, found an equation. Now second condition, Sn, A plus An, try it here beta, you can get Sn, n by 2, A plus An, yes or no? Sorry, minus 14 is there, put a minus sign here. Okay, don't worry. Okay, now see. N is unknown, A is unknown, An is known, yes or no? It is minus 14. Am I right? Done beta? Now see. N into A plus 4. Shift 2 towards right, it will be minus 28. Done beta? From here see. Na plus 4n is minus 28. Na plus 4n is minus 28. Now you have got it. See, from here, if I find A will be 6 minus 2n, yes or no? From this equation, A can be this and put this. Value of A is transformed in the n, and the whole equation will be in one variable n. And then you will be able to find value of n. N into 6 minus 2n plus 4n is minus 28. Now see beta, multiply 6n minus 2n square plus 4n. Shift like this, plus 28 is 0. Now see beta, minus 2n square, 6 plus 4, 10n plus 28 is equal to 0. Okay. Now if you take minus common and divide it by 2, you will get n square minus 5n minus 14. Yes or no? See beta, once again I am dividing the whole equation by minus 2. Okay, done. Now Principians, you can solve it. How? Minus 5 is to be broken into two parts, where the product should be 1 into this. Minus 14, yes or no? Minus 7 plus 2. Minus 7 plus 2. See beta, you are getting the benefit of doing quadratic equation part first, because of 2-3 questions. And many more questions are there where you have to use quadratic equation solution. Okay. See, n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is 0. Okay. Then see, here n is common, n minus 7 plus 2 is common, n minus 7 is equal to 0. N minus 7 is common, n plus 2 is another part, 0. Yes or no? From here, product of two quantities is 0. From here you will get 7, and from here you will get minus 2. But n can't be minus, and can't be negative or fractional value. Okay, that's why n is 7 here. We got n 7. Okay, we got n is equal to 7. And see beta, if I put the value of n, see here, it was the equation now. A was 6 minus 2n. A was 6 minus 2n. Put the value of n here. 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 14 minus 8 minus 8. This is the answer. This is the answer. Done beta? Are you sure it is done? Take the screenshot. Okay. Now see. Now we will discuss question number next. Now we will discuss question number next. See what is given here. See, question number next. First question, part say 9th. A3N8S192. A3, and then N8S192. N8. Sum is 192. And what is asked? D. So simple question, beta. It's gonna be fun. See, S is given 198 and N is given 8. Indirectly, this is not S, this is S8. This is S8. You got my point? This is the strategy used by the question maker here. Okay? Now see, what it will be? It will be N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 198. We use the formula N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1D is equal to Sn here. See, N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D, that is 198. Now see, it will cancel it. This is 6, 7D and 198. Okay. From C here beta, if you multiply, what will you get? 24 plus 28D is equal to 198. Choice is yours. 4 will cancel this. It's your choice, no? But it will not cancel the whole. Okay. Now see. 28D is equal to 198 minus 24. Yes or no, beta? Subtract 8 minus 4, 9 minus 2, 1. From here, D is equal to 174 by 28. Now cancel with 2, you will get 8, 7 by 14. This is the answer. See beta, it was so simple question. S8 was 198. Okay. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D is 198. 4, to cancel 8, 4. You can write 4 here. Okay. 6 plus 7D is equal to 198. Multiplied 4 inside this and then you find D. And D was asked. Okay. Question number 1 part 9th we have done. Okay. Now see beta, question number 10. 1 part 10. Okay. Done na? Now see question number 1 part 10th. The last part of question number 3. See beta, what is the part here? Here is L28 S144, 10th part. L28 and S is 144. There are total 9 terms. Total 9 terms. N is 9. A is asked. N is 9 and A is asked. Okay, beta. N is 9 and A is asked. See, what does this mean? What does it mean? It means this is S9. Like the previous sum. N is given in hidden terms. Yes, N is given in hidden terms. Okay. Now see. N by 2 into A plus L is last term. Sorry, sum of N terms, yes or no? Yes or no? You have L, you have Sn, you have N. Put the values. What it will be? See beta. N by 2, A you don't know and L is 28 is 144. A plus 28 is equal to, here is 144. Send 9 by 2 that side. It will be 2 by 9. 9 cancel this. A plus 28 is equal to 9 1 ja, 9 9 6 ja into 2. A plus 28 is 32. From here, A will be 4. Yes or no? A will be 4. Done beta? You got my point? Okay? Take the screenshot. Question number 3 complete. Question number 3 completed. We have completed question number 3. Now beta, next question we are going to solve. Next question we are going to solve is question number 4. Question number 4. See what is given in question number 4. Here in question number 4 it is asked How many terms of this AP will give a sum of 636? See beta, in question number 4, AP is given. AP is given 9, 17, 25, 9, 17, 25 and so on. And it is given that some terms of this AP is 636. How many terms will make it? How many terms of this AP will make the sum 636? It means SN is 636. AP you already have, you have to find N. AP you already have, you have to find N. Okay. See, what is here? A is 9. D is 17 minus 9, 8. SN is 636. N is asked. Okay. Everything you have to note here and then you have to proceed. You know the formula? You know the formula, everyone? N by 2, 2A, N minus 1, D is Sn. Yes or no? Then put the values, and you don't know, don't worry, we will get plus N minus 1 into D is 8, Sn is 636. Done beta? Now see. N by 2. 18 plus 8n minus 8, 636. Okay, n by 2, 18 minus 8, 10 plus 5n is equal to 636. From here, if we take 2 common, you will get 5 plus, 5 plus n. Okay, by it was 8 now, that's why I was confused. Here is 8. By mistake, see beta, only 1.1% my mind went towards water. I was thinking water, and see what a silly mistake I committed here. Here it was written 8, it was written 8 and I put 5 here. Are you getting my point? Once again I am talking to you students, your concentration is must. Your concentration is must, beta. Okay? Done. Now see. It is 8. If you take 2 common from here, 5 2s are, and it will be 4n is equal to 636. 2 will cancel 2. Okay? Now I am writing here, beta. You will get n into 5 plus 4n is equal to 636. Now multiply 5n plus 4n square, shift like this. Okay, now you will see 4n square sorry plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Yes or no? This is the equation. Now you have to solve this equation. If you are able to solve this equation by the factorization method, it's good. If you are not able to solve it, then go for the Sridharacharya Sutra. Okay, choice is yours. Okay, but I think Princeans will love to struggle with it. Will make it happen. Okay, let me try. See, first you check, is there any calculation mistake? 18 plus 8n minus 8, 10 plus 8. Okay, everything is okay. Then go for it. We have to break 5n, 5 into 2 parts. It is plus 5 beta. Such that the product should be this into this. Factorize it. 636 into 4. 4 6 are 24. 12 और 2 4 6 24 4 3 12 और 2 14 4 6 24. This is the. See beta, I do calculation in my own language so that I can do it fast and accurately. Now see, plus 5 is to be broken into the 2 parts such that the product should be minus this. It means one part is of positive sign, second part of is negative sign. Plus minus. Okay. Larger will be plus. Why? Because here is plus. Larger minus smaller. Okay. Now see, try to find out the parts. See, we have learned here na. Try to factorize it. 2, 1, 2, 7, 2. Again 2, 6, 3, 6. Again 2, 3, 1. Sorry, 2, 1, 2. If you divide by 2, it will get 318. Okay, 318. Again 2, you will get 159. Now this time 3, 5, 3. This is done. Now see beta, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Into this 53 is 2544, and see their difference is also 5. Yes or no? It means we are on the right track. We got the factors. 5 factor part should be plus 53 minus 48. Yes or no? Plus 53 minus 48. See beta, 4n square. It will be written as 48n. Sorry. 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. You got my point beta. See, whenever you have such calculations, little bit larger calculation, go for this method. Surely it will work and it will help you. And try to make your command over these also. If you are not comfortable with it, then go for the Sridharacharya Sutra. Okay beta? Now see, here only n is common, 4n plus 53. Here the same should be now. Divide by this, you will get minus 12. This is the fact. If you take minus 12 common here, you will get 4n same plus 53. It's your choice. You can do it. Now see, 4n plus 53 is common and n minus 12 is there. Product of two quantities is 0. From here you will get n is minus 53 by 4, which is not possible. Why? Because n can't be negative or rational. Sorry, fractional. And from here n is equal to 12. N is equal to 12. This is the answer. Okay beta? This is the answer. You can take the screenshot. This is question number 4. Once again I am repeating beta. Here an AP was given, sum of some terms was given, and it was asked how many terms are making this sum of this AP. Okay. From here A is this, D is 8, this minus this, Sn is given, and we were to find. We put the value of these variables in the equation. Finally, time kya? Okay, now see, we will put all these 3 variables in the equation, and then we got this equation. And it was a quadratic equation, that's why we solved it by factorization. Choice is yours. Whichever the method you want to use, you can use. Okay? Then you will find n is 12. That is value of 12 terms of this AP will give us the sum of 636. Done beta? Now you can take the screenshot. Okay beta? Now you have taken the screenshot. Now see beta, I think the lecture will be too long, na? Because near about I have noted 50 to 60 minutes have been gone. So it's over for the today's lecture beta. Don't worry. In the, I think 20 sums are there, 5.4. 2-3 lectures will also be required to complete the chapter. So don't worry. From the next chapter we will continue the exercise 5.3. And I think within 2 lectures the 5.3 will be completed, and then in the 3rd lecture we will complete exercise 5.4, and hence then the full chapter 5th is done. Then we will think whether we should go for the previous year strategy or we should start the new chapter. So don't worry. And one more thing beta, please like the video, share videos and give positive comments. Okay? And stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.